Hi, parents. So, how many of you remember the good old days when going to the hospital was a big threat to you? Like, I don't know for you, but for me, it was a serious issue. Like, I don't want to even hear hospital, let alone injection. I remember on several occasions, I had to run round the hospital because I needed to take an injection for a particular infection that affected one of my fingers, and it wasn't a pleasant experience for both me and my parents that took me. But in my own case, my own story of this parenting journey is quite different. So, some months ago, my kids were being themselves, playing, and I sort of got tired of the excessive playing, and I thought I was going to threaten them by the statements that I was going to make. And so I said, if you guys don't take it easy, I will end up taking you to the hospital, say by tomorrow or this weekend, as your punishment for misbehaving. And their reaction marveled me. Like, I was shocked. It took me off guard. They started jubilating. Mom, do you mean we're going to the hospital? Yay, let's go. You mean we'll see the doctors and the nurses? Are you serious? Let's go. I was shocked to my bones. Like, what's going on here? My plan to punish them failed woefully. And then I realized that these children aged 6 and 7, they had not been to the hospital. In fact, they had not been sick, you know, apart from just tiny case of running temperature, and before one or two things, they are fine. So they had not been to the hospital either for them being sick or any family member. So while that was running through my mind, I realized that, so to them, a hospital is where people who just wear white robes walk around and take care of people who are sick. They don't even know those who are sick, how it feels like. So the best part of the story is that our nutrition is one of our secrets to not falling ill, to not being on any medication. At least for the past 9 years, I've been off medication, including everyone in my family, right? So our nutrition being such that on a daily basis, it is standard, we must take fruits, but sometimes due to time constraints or even for the sake of variety, you just want a change, and that's where organic fruit powders come in for me to save the day. And there are quite a number of them with beautiful colors, and I found out that I could use this to replace fizzy drinks or any of those drinks that are out there that are targeted at children especially, which I do not allow my kids to take. And I don't always have time to do all the washing, cleaning, blending, juicing, filtering, and all that stuff that you must do for you to have a cup of smoothie. I may not have that luxury of time, as in the work is plenty. But with organic fruit powder, it's just chickeny work, but nutrients is plenty. Oh well. So I made this with this, and this is baobab fruit powder. It's been dehydrated properly, done, it's organic, has no preservative. Like, if you have this in your house and you don't use it within a short period of time, say by 2-3 weeks, you could see some things coming out of it because it doesn't have any preservatives, right? This is beetroot, and these are powerful fruits, I must say. Beetroot has a lot of nutrients, it's great for children, great for adults as well, including those who are dealing with high blood pressure, anemia, women who are trying to conceive, a whole lot. I don't want to bore you with so much about the nutrient profile, but the truth is, this is gold, right? And talking about baobab powder, like, if your children don't like taking vitamin C, this is a steal for you. With baobab, you're covered. Baobab fruit has over 32 times content of vitamin C more than orange, and so it makes a perfect substitute for any form of vitamin C supplements, or you striving for them to get their daily load of vitamin C. Remember that we always need to replenish vitamin C on a daily basis, because it does not stay, it doesn't get stored up in the system, and then you need it so much, but for blood absorption of nutrients and other very important activities in the body system, including keeping your immune system super healthy. So I made this drink with this baobab powder and beetroot. Remember that beetroot has a very dark color, so you just need a little of beetroot, say a teaspoon or half teaspoon depending on your taste, added to 2 teaspoon or 2 tablespoon of baobab powder. Add your water. If you like, add a simple sweetener like pure honey, just few drops, and you're good. Shake it up. If you like, add some ice or store it in the freezer, and it's ready for you and your family. And you can actually put this in your children's lunch pack, especially if it's frozen, so they can have it during lunch time, and you will see your children glowing and staying healthy all through the year. So let's try this.